So here in question number 34 we have x is given to be x1 x2 xn transpose. Okay, that means it's like a column vector like this, right? Transpose when we take तो यही आएगा. Next is there is, you have to find out this n cross n matrix is given, which is V is equal to x into x transpose. That means now my V will become, this is my x, x1 up to xn, and x transpose means इसका ट्रांसपोज है ना, that means x1 x2 xn, right? This is my x transpose. Now when you multiply this, what will you get? So this is basically my, this has n rows and one column, this has one row and n columns, so resultant will be n cross n matrix. And what will we get when we multiply this? So when you multiply this with this, like first row first column, so x1 square, now first row second column, x1 x2 first row third, and up to first row last x1 xn, right? And similarly when you do for the second one, so you will get x2 x1 x2 x1 x2 square and x2 xn, right? And last wale mein you will get xn x1 xn x1 xn x2 and xn into xn, that is xn square. So here what is our question? Basically you have to find the rank. He is asking the rank in all the options, so you have to find the rank. So how do we find the rank is, we first of all we try and find out the determinant. For determinant we can see that if we take this like this, we have xn and xn x1 xn square. If we take the determinant for this, so if we take out x1 common from first row, what we will get? x1 is, we are taking out common from the first row, so we will left with x1. Next term was x1 x2, है ना? So 1 x2 will be left, and last term was x1 into xn, so xn will be left. Similarly for the second row, when you take out x2 common, this into x2, right? Please don't get confused, this is into the x1 into x2. So when you take out this x2 common, you will get x1 x2 up to xn, right? And similarly from the last row we take out xn common, so this into x2 into up to xn, right? These are all getting multiplied, and what remains under is x1 x2 up to xn ka determinant. Now clearly we know that for this particular matrix we have n rows, all the n rows, n columns are basically same. So we know that if two rows are identical in any matrix, then the determinant is 0. So its determinant has to be 0. So rank of A is definitely not equal to n. It has to be strictly less than n, that is less than equal to n minus 1, right? So what is rank? Rank is basically a non-vanishing minor, right? So non-vanishing minor of order r, ठीक है? That is, there exists non-vanishing r road minor, you can say, of A, of the matrix. Then we say that rank is equal to r. So here we will try to find out what is the non-vanishing minor. So clearly we can see that if we check out here in this, so n road minor were 0. Now if we go to like 3 road minors, 2 road minors, so all the minors are basically becoming 0, right? So you can see that if you take 3 rows, n road तो 0 हो ही गया, then after that हम उसको और कम करके when we see, so your 3 road minors, if we take, they are also same, like 3 road minors will be like x1 x2 x3 any, so they are identical again. So this is again 0, we can clearly see. Now similarly when you can test for two row minors when you see. So two row minors means again in this matrix if you take up any two rows, so again for that also you can see that x1 x2 x3 and x1 x2 again it is identical, right? So this is also 0. So clearly our rank has to be strictly less than 2, right? So rank of V, we have to find out, it was V. So rank of V will be clearly less than 2. That is, rank of V will be less than equal to 1, right? Also for some I and J, or you can say that for some like for some I, we are given that it is an n tuple non-zero vector. Non-zero vectors means that one of the entry has to be at least non-zero, at least one of the entry. That means if we are doing product here, right, so any one of the entry has to be non-zero in this clearly, right? So if we have a non-zero entry, so if we are talking about one row minor here, so one row minor, in that case some xi into xj will be non-zero for ij. There will exist because they are both non-zero minors, right? So because of that it will become a non-zero entry. So rank of v from here becomes greater than equal to 1, right? And from above we got it less than equal to 1. So rank of v is clearly equal to 1. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.